Hey guys, Backyard Rocket Science here with my very first video. Today we're going to be launching this Estes C-Class engine off the stick, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So, five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it shot into the woods. Hope that didn't hit a house. That shot like a missile. But it knocked over this and blew out the igniter and everything. So I'll go try to find it. So I looked for about an hour in these woods and I wasn't able to find it. So that's the end of the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and see you next time.